Why limit yourself to what your eyes see when you can expand your vision? These thought-provoking words by Edward Weston urge us to look beyond the obvious and to approach the world with curiosity, creativity, and boldness. Hello, I am Eva Polak, and today I am inviting you on a journey that goes beyond what's visible to the naked eye. An exploration of the art of truly seeing. As photographers, our craft is more than just capturing what's in front of us. It's about interpretation, imagination, and honoring our unique vision. Photography is not just about recording moments. It's about reimagining them, distilling their essence, and turning them into visual poetry that speaks to the heart. At the heart of this creative exploration is a key question. How can I see the world differently? This question invites us to look at the world through the new lens. One that challenges the ordinary. Notice the unnoticed and reveal the extraordinary in the everyday. It encourages us to slow down, to see deeper, and to feel the pulse of light, texture, and emotion in every scene. As we ask ourselves this question, we unlock endless possibilities. It's about pushing boundaries, experimenting with angles, colors, and techniques to craft images that reflect our unique perspective. Whether it's capturing the shimmering movement of water, the dance of light and shadows, or the fleeting moments of human connection, photography becomes a personal reflection of how we see the world, not just how it is. In this quest, our vision evolves, and our photographs become a powerful storytelling tool, inspiring others to see the world not just as it is, but as it could be. Edward Weston's words resonate deeply with me, especially as an impressionist photographer. In my work, I aim to capture not just the physical presence of a scene, but the feeling, the movement, the energy, and the emotion of that moment. Let me show you how you can do this too. One powerful way to expand your vision is through soft focus. Instead of seeking perfect clarity, allow your subject to blur just enough to create a dreamlike effect. It's not about imperfection, it's about interpretation. Notice how the softness reveals the heart of the flowers. The petals seem to merge with the light, creating a sense of mystery and wonder. You are not simply seeing a garden, you are experiencing its essence. The way the light plays on the petals, the gentle sway of the leaves in the breeze, and the emotions these visuals evoke. To achieve this effect, try using a wide aperture or a special lens filter. And focus just slightly in front or behind your subject. Or you can even add a touch of motion while you're capturing the shot. Play around with it. It's all about embracing creativity and letting your instincts guide you. See the difference? While sharp focus gives us a clear and detailed view, soft focus invites us to feel the mood. It's like moving from simply looking at the world to truly seeing it with your heart. Let's explore abstract compositions. This is where you focus on shapes, patterns, and textures rather than identifiable subjects. Think of it as seeing the world through fresh eyes, literally. A macro lens is invaluable here. Look closely at the hidden world in the smallest details, the veins of a leaf, the texture of rust, or condensation on a window. Repetitive patterns, whether in nature or architecture, create mesmerizing images. Look for things like sand ripples on a beach or the ties of a building. And don't be afraid to move your camera. By panning or tilting during a long exposure, you can transform light and motion into abstract streaks that add a dynamic layer to your image. Next, let's talk about creative lenses, tools that push the boundaries and bring a touch of whimsy to your photography. The M42 50mm f1.4 Pentax lens, it's a vintage classic, known for its dreamy bokeh. With an M42 to Nikon converter, I can use this lens on my camera, creating those soft focus dreamlike shots. Use this lens to isolate your subject, creating a beautiful painterly effect with a blurred background that enhances the subject's presence. Another favorite, it's the Lensbaby. This lens creates a selective focus that guides the viewer's eyes precisely where you want it to go, with soft, blurred edges. Here is a pro tip. Mix these techniques. Combine creative lenses with motion blur or double exposures to create layered, expressive images. The possibilities are endless when you embrace creativity. So next time you pick up your camera, remember Weston's words. Don't just take photos, extend your vision. Explore, experiment, and express what lies beyond what your eyes can see. If you are ready to dive deeper and unlock your creative potential, I invite you to join my The Art of Seeing online course. It's designed to help you develop a unique photographic voice and truly master the art of visual storytelling. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, keep seeing the world differently.